Hey everyone, Greg King here, and welcome to my video on how to make money without making videos and how to get free advertising on Google. Let's face it, everyone knows that one of the biggest startup costs is ads, and you kind of cross your fingers going, gee, if I can just get my ads to work, then maybe I can put some cash into my pocket. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually not take the cash out of your pocket and rank number 1, number 2, and number 3 on Google, Google Carousel, and also on YouTube. Stick around. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can actually rank literally immediately on YouTube and also on the Google Carousel and the Google search, which everyone knows that literally 70 to 75% of the people actually will search online on Google, the #1 platform in the world, then back up their decision with a second opinion on YouTube. And this process by Paul Murphy will actually do the 1-2 punch where people will actually source you, because bona fide people will actually do a Google search first, and then what they'll do is back it up and verify it on YouTube. Then in a moment, I'm going to show you some very powerful examples of how powerful this 5-step program is and this 24-hour ranking system, which I believe Paul is a little conservative, because I've ranked on YouTube, Google, and the Google Carousel in literally 2 minutes. I'll have examples to share with you about that. Then in a moment, I'm going to share on the screen and also in the description box of how you can have access to Paul Murphy's extraordinary course that I truly believe will take your business to a completely different level. So make money on YouTube and how to get free advertising on Google. It seems to be like the ultimate myth of how you can actually do that, but I'm a believer. I definitely am a believer in what Paul's been saying. He shared this with me a couple of months ago, and I'm a naysayer, because so many times on YouTube and on Google, these gurus promise me the world, and literally I have yet to see it. I mean, a couple of them get rich. I think they get rich on actually doing the course, not on actually the Google and YouTube stuff they do. But I'm going to show you right now how you can actually do it with virtually no subscribers. And I think at this point, when I took the screenshot of my YouTube channel, I think I had 13 subscribers. I'm going to have to take a look and see here. Yeah, I had 13 subscribers, and you can see it's Affiliate Tube Success Reviews if you want to Google it. I may have a couple more now, but it's not really important. And the cool thing about it is you don't need a lot of subscribers to take advantage of this process that Paul has. And the other thing you don't need to actually rank extremely high, extremely quick, you don't need a lot of views. In fact, you can see here, and I'd mentioned before, a little earlier, how Paul talks about the 24-hour ranking system. Well, you can see here, I've done it in literally in 2 minutes. And I ranked #1 on YouTube, #1 on Google, and #1 on the video carousel within 2 minutes. Here, the carousel within 2 minutes. And because YouTube and Google are owned by the same company, sometimes it may take a little bit to get it over to the Google search, and you can see it. That's why it ranks with just 3 minutes. But once again, these people are searching for me because they have a need. So these are bona fide buyers willing to actually spend money, not just tire kickers coming into a store and just saying, oh, just looking, just shopping. So you can see right here again is this is the video carousel and another video carousel, and I've actually put a stranglehold on both. And this is on the first page of a Google search. Then you can see on the YouTube where I, once again, basically, I am my own competition. And I can actually show you, endless amounts of success that I've had using Paul Murphy's a program and his 24-hour ranking system, and how it's made such a huge difference to my business. Now, this is on YouTube, and you can see here, it must be pretty powerful, the search, because if people are willing to spend ads, then there is money to be made. And after the ad, which always places first, then you can see I've literally taken up the whole page, other than this gentleman here who has over 500,000 views, and it's been 4 months. I've actually done it basically in minutes and with basically no views. And I took all these a little while ago, so I mean that's why it's showing 2 and 3 weeks. But as my very first slide I showed you, I really did it in 2 minutes. And as you go along, as one does, okay, I'm going to cut to the chase right now. There is no magic pill. There is hard work. You're going to have to step in and do a little bit of legwork, a little bit of elbow grease, and make about 10 videos. And you need to have them to actually become an expert in your field. And once you've done these videos, and with the algorithms that YouTube and Google have, they're going to start grouping them together and ranking them together. And that's why you can see here how I'm ranked down the line on the first page. Now, the best thing I have, and it's the best problem I have, is I'm my own competition. When people actually look on YouTube and Google, rarely do they go to the second page. It's virtually the first page. And even then, it's virtually the first 5 or 6 or 7 rankings. Other than that, people check out and just go there. Then after they've gone, after they've gone and seen your Google search, what they do next is they verify it or they get a second opinion. And the best way I can explain it is, there you are getting a 2-week holiday in Mexico. So you see a great hotel, so you're looking at it. What's the first thing you do? You go to Google to get a second opinion to make sure that it is a hotel like that's built, that's not half built. And that's why this Paul Murphy's system, this 5-step system is so powerful, because it links the two of them together. Now, when you actually press the link to have access to Paul's process, and it's going to allow you to enroll into a 90-minute training call with Mike and Paul Murphy, and it's a great value. And what you do is hit the register for this free event, and it could take a moment just to make sure that there's availability. And then all you do is put the date, your time zone, your first name, and your email. Register now, and it's going to enroll you in probably the most effective 90 minutes for your online business that you're going to see to improve your traffic flow and reduce your ad costs. As I mentioned a little earlier in the video, I'm going to leave a link in the description box and also on screen, so you can get access to Paul's 24-hour ranking system and 5-step process, and check it out today or tomorrow. See if it makes sense. You be the judge. You decide if it would make a difference for your business, having less ad costs, more money in your pocket, and more bona fide buyers knocking on your door. And this to make it clear, this does not just work for 1 or 2 items. This program and this process works for all products. Whether or not you're going to use this product to actually do affiliate marketing, or if you have a service or a product to sell, or if you're on Shopify and just tired of spending money on Google ads and Bing ads and Facebook ads and people just wanting your money and getting nothing in return. I'm going to quit babbling now. I just check it out and see if it would increase your business dramatically, because it sure did for me. Now, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, so you don't miss another video, and also leave a comment below, and hopefully we will see you in the next video. You have yourself a great day.